Hi, in today's demonstration, I'm going to show you the electric force. The electric force is a force that acts on charged particles. If you have two charged particles that have opposite charges, they will attract or pull towards each other. If you have two charged objects that have the same kind of charge, then they will repel or push away from each other. This is a pretty neat demonstration to do. I've got this 80s style pom-pom here that I've borrowed indefinitely from the cheerleaders without permission. And what I'm going to do, I've put it on here and I've charged it up. So each of these strands has a negative charge. That makes them repel from each other. That's why it's foofy. Well, if I take this plastic rod and rub it against a rabbit fur, the plastic rod also obtains a negative charge. And if I hold this negative plastic rod near these negative strands, you can see the strands push away from it. That's because both the strands and the rod have a negative charge, and two things with the same kind of charge will repel. You notice that the electric force acts at a distance. I can push on that strand, I can push it away, even if I'm not touching it. I can also do something similar with this glass beaker and paper. When I rub the glass beaker against the paper, it gives the glass a positive charge. Now, this glass has a positive charge, and those strands have a negative charge. So when I bring this glass nearby, you'll notice now, instead of repelling them, it attracts them. That shows you that opposite charges attract, even though the same charges repel. And once again, you notice it can attract these strands, even if they are not touching. That's why we say the electric force is a long-range force.